Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Thursday, March 8th, 2001, 8 am. When a soul like yours is imbued with love, it feeds on its own substance. It lives its most beautiful moments within itself. It sacrifices itself in the place where the divine awaits it. It lulls and carries it with such an impetus that it remains stunned, panting. These moments of sadhana are intense and unique. What's worth expecting and more beautiful and inspiring than this meeting within the immutable? In these moments, when torments are forgotten and only peace remains in oneself, the soul exults gratefully. It loves infinitely. The being's inspiration to live these states is latent. He knows deep in his heart that beauty exists and that a pure flame shines therein permanently, attracting divinity. The heart calms down, it loves endlessly. Torments of life fade away and give way to beauty, the infinite beauty, that which cannot tarnish and which, like a thread, connects him to space where the true life lies. This plunging in oneself is ineffable. In those moments, words are superfluous. The union of the soul with its Creator is a sublime and blessed moment that will not end. Babuji. Same day at 10 am. The medium says, "You are such a poet, Babuji, that my heart melts while reading you after having taken note. My dear daughter, if you leave these messages since the beginning, day after day, in terms of each subject covered and which is likely to help you, you will have made progress. It is inevitable. Our remarks penetrated your hearts and they marked them. How could it be different? It is the reason why they are given to you. It is up to you to draw the substance of it, to immerse yourself in it. So you have everything, but what is lacking in your heart? Did your faith develop through this long process? We cannot force this. Did our songs touch it? We have skillfully moderated them to please you. What more can we do? Should we tell you that we love you? You know it already. Is your heart conquered? Does it sing with us? Or do you continue on your road, paying more attention to the world noises, this overpopulated world whose excesses are terrifying? We have gone a long way together for the better, we hope. You have all our blessings, Babuji.